All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your AI model and clone her, create images and videos completely for free from A to Z. Okay, so what you want to be doing is to go to Instagram. Okay, this is where you can find the model. Okay, and you're going to follow them, like the content, scroll, and it will give you even more video in this stack. All right, so we are going to unfollow this girl because I was following her already. This is like a black AI model, okay, which is kind of rare, but a very good types of model, okay, because there is less competition. 405,000 followers, and when we look at the reel that she's posting, that her manager is posting, basically, it is pretty good, between 100K to 200K views. Trust me, this model is making at least $15,000 to $20,000 per month on FanView. If you have decent chatting, if you have very good chatting, she should be at like 30 to $40,000. Okay, so this is the types of content. It's not that advanced. Okay, like her, like this, smiling in front of the camera. This is probably just content, like an image created and dumped into Kling, for example, without any prompt, to be honest, because it's very simple content. Some of them, there is not even any caption on it. Okay, it's not like content with a concept, but it's mostly to show off her body. Okay, if you want to know what is the best content, you just look at the views. As you can see here, 11 million views on this reel. You know that you should be reproducing this type of reel. If you want to know more, uh, just look at the comment. Perfect. When you work out in my head and envision this, are you real, etc. It's just popping off basically because it looks real and the model is very sexy with the shocks. Okay, but I'm not going to overanalyze this account. The goal is just to show you how to spot good models. Okay, you can just follow the account here. When you follow the account, I mean, this one didn't work, but usually it shows you more account to follow. If we just go to this account, for example, or let's say this one, okay, if we unfollow, and now if I follow it, yeah, now it's giving me more accounts to follow. So if you like this blonde girl, but you're not sure, like this account, for example, doesn't have much pictures and you cannot clone those pictures, then you want other accounts like look like it. So you are going to go and open more accounts that looks like her account, like this. And then here you see we have this model, not enough content. Okay, we forget about it. This account seems to have some images, but not that much. So it's not the right one. Okay, this one is pretty good, but once again, there is not much images. Okay, this account, 55K followers, so it's a pretty good account. Now let's see if they have enough pictures or not. Okay, knowing that you can also clone two different accounts and it will mix it together and give you a brand new model. Okay, even though if we analyze this account, you could recreate a blonde girl and put her in the forest every single time. Okay, the video is about how to clone the model. So let's find a model together. Okay, this one is a real model, and as you can see, there is a lot of images. So then this is the perfect pick. um, you don't have much to do. You can just take this account, go here, paste the link, and it will download the whole profile. So it's not that complicated. You can just go and download this, download this, download, 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 download. Okay. Now, if you want her to not copy her exactly, because, you know, for like the image of the girl, we don't really want to copy the exact same one. I will show you what to do. You can go on another IG, take content from another girl. It will mix the content together and make a girl that is completely brand new. Okay, so that she cannot say that you copied her because the AI will do a mix. So we'll go on this account now. We'll go, so you see it's downloading. We will go and go back here, this website. There is millions of websites that do exactly this. Okay, here we will pick this one as well. We'll pick this one as well. Usually you need 20 pictures to train your model, to save your model on the software that I will show you. Okay, so that it's saved basically. So we should have almost enough now. Let me go back on this. So we will take this one again, then here. So now we'll download a bit more of her. Full body in many different poses is very good. Now we should have kind of more than enough, to be honest. Okay. Now you're going to head up to cart.ai, which is a very good software, okay, so that you can clone model and do almost like everything at the same place, okay? So as you can see, you can do image generation and you can do video generation. So you could be using this software only, okay, and not even having to use anything else, okay? All right, so now that you are on CArt, you are going to be able to save your model, okay? So you go here into image, all right? And you're going to go into additional. So you click on additional. This is all the basically the LoRa that are already available. And we are going to train our own one because we want the model in this video that we just created, okay? The exact one we want. So here we are going to go to upload image, okay? And we are going to select the images that we just downloaded, okay? It's good that we have like 20 or more of the model and we mixed it, two models together. So we have a unique one, okay? So it's just going to load. So we have all the content ready. This, you do not need to touch anything, okay? Okay, they want me really to crop the image first. Let me check. So I did no crop, I did this. So it can be a little bit sketchy, but it's no problem. At least you will be able to register your model. And by the way, here you have two options. You can use Flux or Flux Create, basically Flux Creation. You can do both and see which one is giving you the best results. I clicked on this one while filming this video, but usually I use this one that looks a bit more realistic. So now it finished with the crop, okay? And we can go and do a train here, okay? Should be good. Well, they want me to buy a little more, but as you can see, it's not that expensive. You can train a model for like basically $2 or like $1, okay? So I just added like a $5, so I can train like 3 other model if I want, okay? So now I should be able to train the model as I was doing. So here I click on train model. And this can take a few minutes to like 45 minutes max. It depends on the complexity of your model and how many pictures you uploaded. The good thing is this, you do it one time and you never have to do it ever again. And you get really high quality content, high quality model. So now the RAW finished after like 51 or 55 minutes, okay? It is now created, okay? This is all the steps that it went through, okay? So now we should be able to just go and create an image based on the model that we just created, okay? All right, so yesterday when I was filming the video, I forget to click on the save, so obviously it didn't save the LoRa, okay? So as you can see here, it made some tests. This is how it trained LoRa, okay? It tried to make the same images that you send him. He tried to reproduce it, okay? And you see the try, okay? First, he doesn't really manage to do it, etc. And the more he train, the more it's consistent, and then he do it, okay? So here you can just click save, so that you don't do the same mistake that I did yesterday, and you can even download it, okay? Here publish, to be honest, is just to post to people. You can publish it. It doesn't really matter. Okay, you can do new LoRa here. You don't really need to do that, to be honest. So let's go back to Seant. And in Seant, now that we want to create an image, so let me go back. It's a bit buggy, but trust me, it's a very good website. Then we go on generate right here, and we are going to do image. We're already in image. Here, there is already a LoRa that is that's selected. We click additional, mine, and as you can see here, there is the LoRa that we just created. Okay, so we can just click on apply here, and we are going to take the caption that we created yesterday on ChatGPT, and we'll see what it can generate us. Model Search Infinity should be good. Let me check if we just use a comfy one. I think we'll just go with the normal one to start with, and we'll see what is the result. Okay, so it's going to load for a little bit. Usually the images just take like maybe 20 seconds to load, and it's done with your internet, so you do not even have to have a high quality computer. So this is the test that I did for another video yesterday, but here now we are doing basically the image from the LoRa. Okay, so basically from the model we just created. All right, so it just finished creating the the image, as you can see. And here we have it. Okay, it's the girl that we just created. Okay, the LoRa, and now we can basically use this girl all the time. Okay, and it will be a consistent model where we can create basically all the content of this same girl. All right, so as you can see, it created another some pictures. Okay, here this one is bad, this one is bad, but this one is pretty good, to be honest. Okay, so what we could do is to just go here and now animate this image into a video to basically get an IG reel that is basically ready to post. Okay, so we are going to do it directly here. We can just click on boom, generate, and it will generate the video. It is basically that simple. Okay, you don't need to overthink it. Here it basically gave a prompt directly, which we which we just accept because we are lazy, and it will make a pretty good video. Okay, you can trust the AI, it knows already exactly what to do, and it's based from the prompt that we wrote before to create the image. Okay, so now as you can see, it's loading. Okay, this is like high quality images that I created, so obviously take a bit of time. The good thing is you can go and do whatever you want in the meantime, and it is not loading on your computer. All right, so as you can see, in just a few minutes we are able to just create a video. Okay, so let me just mute the video here. Okay, as you can see, the video is really high quality. Okay, and looks pretty much 100% real. Okay, now obviously if you want to make this video a bit more appealing, you will need to add a trendy music, you need to add a caption. Okay, but this is not complicated. You can directly do it on the IG app, and once again it's free and it takes literally 20 seconds. Okay, so I hope that you like this video that is a bit more like in depth of how to actually clone the models that you see on IG, and you don't need to pay $1,000 for a course to know how to do this, or how to know how to code, etc. I tell you everything. It's you basically pay $2 to do that, or maybe $3. Okay, so now if you want to do the same, check the links in the io. Okay, there is all the links to help you to do the exact same. All right. So now please leave a like, subscribe, activate the bell so that you can so that you do not miss the next videos. So peace out and see you in the next video, guys.